Do you want to fix the Instagram app not opening problem on your mobile device? You can solve the not working Instagram issue with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to fix the Instagram app not opening issue. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. Here is what happens when I try to open Instagram. The app crashes like this. Opening for just a few seconds and automatically closing. Sometimes, I also get this error message, something went wrong with Instagram. Instagram closed because this app has a bug. Try updating this app after the developer provides a fix for this error. If your Instagram app is not opening, there could be several reasons for the issue. But, don't worry about this problem. I'm going to guide you through the steps to solve it. First step, restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can solve the issue. So, try restarting or turning off your device and then turning it back on. My mobile has restarted. Let me check by opening the Instagram app again to see if it's working now. It is not working. Instagram still crashes while opening. So, let's move on to the next solution. Second step, update your app to the latest version. Make sure you have the latest version of Instagram installed. To update the Insta app to the latest version, first, go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Now, type Instagram in the search box and search for it. From the search list, tap on Instagram to open it. Now, check if there's an update available. If a new update is available, tap on the update button. The Instagram app has been successfully updated on my mobile. Let me open it to see if it's working now. Now, Instagram works perfectly for me. If you don't see an update yet, please wait a few hours until the new update is available. If it still doesn't work for you, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Instagram app on your mobile device. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of Instagram not opening on your device. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.